Hi guys, I am ready to give you guys a tutorial on how to do box braids. But before we do the box braids, there are some prepping that I would suggest that you do to your hairs to prevent frizz and breakage while your braids are in. So here is my bottle of coconut oil. I have the nozzle tip so that it's easy to apply to my strands. So you just want to, you can either pour it in your hand and rub it on your ends, the ends of your hair, or you can use the nozzle to gently guide it through your strands. So that's that. And I have a clip one piece. I don't know if you guys, hope you guys can see. But this is some of the hair I did. But I clip a piece out of the way, and then I have this piece here. This is the piece that I'm going to be working with. So I have my braiding hair here. I didn't pre-section it because that's not usually what I do. I'm just like old-fashioned and lazy, so I'll just take what I need from this batch of hair, and then I'll put the rest aside. And then here I have the hair, and then I'll smooth it with my hands, and then I will take it and break it into two pieces like so. And then once again I'll make sure everything is even, so I'll smooth it again, and then make sure that it's uneven at the ends, so that when you're braiding your hair it won't look too botched. It won't look too perfect. It'll be a little uneven at the end, because you don't want your box braids looking too perfect. Okay, so and then I like to split it into three pieces like so, and then I connect it onto the piece that you see here. I grip it with all three of my fingers. I'm using my thumb and my pointer finger to hold that piece taut, and then I tightly twist with my other pointer and thumb finger, and then I start to plait it together like so. It gets tangled, so you kind of just want to smooth it out with your hands like so, and then you want to keep plaiting until you have, sorry, this knuckle on here gets really tangled as you see, but you can work through it. And then you just keep plaiting and plaiting until you feel comfortable. And this is where I like to do my transition to just plaiting it all the way down. To the end, you're going to take your lighter. Well, some people do, some people don't, but for me, I like to just make sure that the ends don't unravel, so I just a little bit, and there's the plait. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.